Gen Z used to hate boomer vacations. So why are cruises suddenly selling out with 20-year-olds? What changed in 2026 will seriously surprise you. Alright, let's break this down. Here are the top 10 reasons Gen Z is absolutely obsessed with cruises in 2026. Number 10. It's actually affordable. With rising rent, student loans, and expensive flights, Gen Z is looking for value. Cruises bundle accommodation, food, entertainment, and transportation into one price. Compared to booking hotels, flights, and activities separately, cruising often ends up cheaper. Budget-friendly sailings from lines like Royal Caribbean and Carnival are especially popular among young travelers. Number 9. Unlimited food culture. Gen Z loves food content. Buffet tour, late-night pizza, specialty coffee bars, sushi counters. Cruises are basically floating food festivals. YouTube is filled with what I eat in a day on a cruise videos. The endless options make it easy to try new cuisines without spending extra money every time. Number 8. A social media gold. Let's be honest, aesthetics matter. Infinity pools, ocean sunsets, dramatic staircases, neon-lit nightclubs. Cruise ships are designed for YouTube. Ships like Wonder of the Seas from Royal Caribbean and Mardi Gras from Carnival have jaw-dropping backdrops perfect for viral content. Number 7. No planning stress. Gen Z values convenience. Cruises remove decision fatigue. You unpack once, and the ship takes you to multiple destinations automatically. No constant packing, airport chaos, or hotel check-ins. Everything is organized: excursions, dining, shows, and that simplicity is a major win. Number 6. Festival vibes at sea. This is where things get interesting. The stereotype of cruises being quiet and formal is outdated. In 2026, there are themed sailings, DJ takeovers, EDM parties, and even influencer-hosted cruises. Lines like Virgin Voyages have built an entire brand around adult-only, high-energy nightlife experiences. Number 5. Digital detox without fully disconnecting. Gen Z grew up online, but they also crave balance. Being surrounded by ocean naturally reduces screen time. There's something calming about watching the horizon stretch endlessly. You can still post, but you're not stuck in your normal routine. It feels like escape without isolation. Number 4. A safe travel option. Safety matters. Cruises offer controlled environments with medical facilities, security, and structured excursions. For younger travelers, especially first-time international explorers, cruising feels safer than backpacking solo in unfamiliar countries. And now, number 3. It's the ultimate group trip hack. This is the one nobody talks about enough. Group trips are chaotic. Splitting hotel bills, arguing about restaurants, coordinating transportation. On a cruise, everyone pays their own fare upfront. Food is included. Activities are built in. Some friends can party. Others can chill at the spa. You meet back for dinner. It eliminates group tension. And that's exactly why Gen Z friend groups are choosing cruises over Airbnb trips in 2026. Number 2. Short attention span travel. Gen Z doesn't want one city for 7 days. They want variety. Cruises offer multiple ports in a single trip. Bahamas today, Mexico tomorrow, private island the next day. It's fast-paced, visually exciting, and perfect for content creation. Private islands like Perfect Day at Coca-Cola feel like exclusive beach clubs rather than traditional cruise stops. That hybrid experience hits perfectly for this generation. Number 1. Reinvented cruise culture. Here's the biggest reason. Cruise lines listened. They removed strict dress codes. They added modern dining. They upgraded Wi-Fi. They redesigned cabins with minimalist aesthetics. They brought in rooftop bars, tattoo studios, gaming lounges, and immersive entertainment. Virgin Voyages especially disrupted the industry by banning buffets, eliminating traditional formal nights, and targeting a younger demographic directly. Cruising in 2026 doesn't feel like cruising in 2006. It feels like a floating lifestyle experience. So there you have it, the 10 reasons Gen Z is completely redefining cruise culture in 2026. What was once seen as a retirement vacation is now a budget-friendly, social media-ready, festival-style adventure at sea. The biggest surprise? It's not just about cheap food or pretty sunsets. It's about flexibility, convenience, and shared experiences without stress. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you book a cruise in 2026? Or are you still skeptical? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more travel insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive, because travel is changing fast and you don't want to be the last to know. See you in the next video.